Welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to profit, how to make money from crypto arbitrage. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So like I said earlier, in today's video we're going to be exploring how to make money, how to profit from crypto arbitrage opportunities in the crypto space. So to start with, we are going to be needing Chrome or CoinMarketCap. Okay, so you can download CoinMarketCap from Play Store, or you can also download Chrome from Play Store, and if you don't have it on your device, you can launch it on your desktop. So let's head over to Chrome. Okay, so when you get to Chrome, all you just need to do is to type in CoinMarketCap. Okay, CoinMarketCap in the search bar, and then it leads you to the platform. Now when you get to CoinMarketCap, okay, you want to look out for coins that have high market capitalization. Okay, the reason is because the idea behind crypto arbitrage is that you are trying to leverage on price difference between exchanges that a particular coin is listed on. For instance, if you have a particular coin, let's say coin A, and it's listed on 4 exchanges, the price of that particular coin or cryptocurrency against USDT cannot be the same on all the 4 exchanges because of the liquidity that is provided by those exchanges. The liquidity provided across exchanges, they vary. So because of that, you cannot have the same price across all exchanges. So what you do in crypto arbitrage is that you buy where the price is lower, and then you transfer it to where it is higher, and then you sell there. Okay, so let's pick Solana. Okay, let's see Solana for a case study. Okay, so just click on Solana, and after you click on Solana, let's wait for the data to load. Okay, let's wait for the Solana data to load. Okay, here we are. Okay, so you want to go over to market. Look at the topmost part of the screen. You see something like overview, community, market news, token unlocks, and the likes. You want to head over to market. Okay, so under market, we get to see the exchanges that have Solana listed. Okay, so you can see we have Binance, we have Coinbase Exchange, we have OKX, we have Bybit, we have Upbit, Kraken, Gate.io, HTS, Bitfinex, and there are still many others. Okay, you can still see, if you look right below, you see 1, 2, 3. There are still many pages to load for the exchanges. Okay, so now if you look at the price of Solana against USDT on Binance, it is currently at 135.47. okay, 135.47. but if you look at the price of the same Solana / USDT on Bitfinex, you discover that Bitfinex has a higher price. Okay, has a higher price than Binance. So Binance price is 135.47 and Bitfinex price is 135.71. so that means you can actually buy Solana on Binance for 135.47 and transfer it to Bitfinex and sell it for 135.71. okay, which gives you profit. Okay, you are literally buying at a lower price on Binance and selling at a higher price on Bitfinex. That is what crypto arbitrage is all about, and you can basically replicate this for any coin as long as it has a high market capitalization, is listed on several exchanges where you can actually buy and transact, buy and sell. You are good to go. Okay, so you can do this for any cryptocurrency. Now let's take a look at another cryptocurrency, okay, in the market. All right, so let's take a look at Tron. Okay, let's take a look at Tron. All right, let's take a look at Tron. So I've just clicked on Tron, so I'm waiting for it to load now. Okay, so waiting for it to load so that we can check up with the market. Okay, so I can check out with the market. So we just head over to markets. All right, so under the market, you see the various exchanges on which Tron is listed. All right, so now if you look at the price of Tron on Binance, the price of Tron on Binance is 0.1602. okay, 0.1602. And then if you check the price on KuCoin, is 0.1603. Even though the difference is small, but it is still an opportunity that you can profit from. Okay, let's look at the second page. If you find out that the exchanges you see on the first page, the prices are not very different, you can check the second page. Okay, you can check the second page for more price variations that you can actually profit from. All right, so if you look at BitGet is at 0.1601. okay, BitGet is at 0.1601. so you can buy at 0.1601 on BitGet and go back to KuCoin and sell for 0.1603. With that, you'll be able to take some profits, right, off that arbitrage opportunity. Okay, so that's basically how to go about crypto arbitrage. I really hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. I also love you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.